Hi guys, welcome back to Exploring my Jeep on this little man adventure. We are at one of Stockport's forgotten air raid shelters. It's only pretty small, this guys, yeah, so it's not even that big. But yeah. All hand carved, these guys. Look, you can see where the beds used to go. Where all the beds would have been. But yeah guys, as you can see, it's really small. Like, look, goes from there to there. It's just an L shape. One of Stockport's forgotten air raid shelters. But look, as you can see guys, they've physically blocked it in. Pretty mad really, isn't it? You can see guys, it is absolutely small. But yeah, bit of a Stockport history here. An old abandoned air raid shelter. Not really much here guys, but it is pretty cool. All the pickaxe marks. Like I was saying, you can even see where the beds used to go, all the way along. So the beds would have been attached to that wall. And then there's the old entrance there, guys. It's crazy. All the pickaxe marks. Found a bone here. Don't know what it's off. Could be human. Might not be. But yeah guys, that used to be where the door used to go. As you can see, it's got all the timber holes, both sides. It's even still got a piece of wood here. Is it? Look, there's the old door. Still a piece of it. Old piece of World War II wood.